if I die, baby, lay me down on the bed of roses, sing me in the river, send me away.
Hey guys, Patrick here, and we are playing some Minecraft style games on one of the new maps on Sequoia. No, this isn't new. I knew this isn't new. Map is like sort of old. Coming old, man. Yeah, rod. Okay, I saw a gold sword in the flash of my eye. At the corner of my eye, I saw a gold sword. I'm out. Okay, there's my cat. Guess he's hungry. Well, I don't feed him, so I really should feed him. And I have a weapon, so that's good. Guys, I'm gonna be playing Hive now, not Prompsy Games. That's for my videos, or TV on our frag server. I'm gonna be doing all my videos on Hive now. I will only use like the video if I make it to deathmatch. Like if I die in deathmatch, I'll still use the video. But if I don't make it a deathmatch, I'm not using it. Because if I make it a deathmatch, then it will be so much better. This is my new route on this map. I'm not really getting that stacked, but there's so many chests and so many ways that it's stacked. Yeah. Wait, what? Oh, I guess it ate something. Yeah. Actually, I want that stone sword back. I can just do this. No, but no. I can do this. You want to have my name on it? Oh, yeah, I'm going to do this. That's an ingot and a stick. Yeah, because like, if I play on Prompsy games, it's too easy. That's why I just want to play on Hive, and there's a team too. Back off. Back off. Oh god, your teammate is freaking like coming in out of nowhere! Gotcha. Not too hard. That's actually very easy. Team of 2. Done. Just so much freaking leather. God, just like leather for days. Those are some good kills, actually, not gonna lie. I might take that bow just in case if I drop my bow back and I can have another one. I knew that one arrow shot was gonna do it. Yeah, guys, if I make it a deathmatch, I will like upload the game. So if I make it a deathmatch, I will hit myself. So if I make it a deathmatch, this game, I will upload it. Huh? Like, because like if I make it a deathmatch, it'll be a pretty long game. But if I win, then I just like Hive in general though. I don't know why. I swear I saw a name. Honestly, there's no way I got that chest because it's right next to spawner. I played 2 games before this one and I freaking crushed. Well, I didn't crush. I did die from a full iron kit, but I didn't record them, so swear I saw a chest. Where are you, big boy? Oh, guess you didn't see one. There you are. Nobody's idea. What's my pin? Log is 65. I swear I heard somebody just call my name. I don't know from where. Nobody will expect that. Okay. Sorry for the lack of commentary. I don't really want to play SMP. I don't know why. I guess there's a team because it is a. If you really believes me, I doesn't have a sword, he's dead. There's a team, if I'm gonna go to spawn and crouch, there's a team of two, I swear. Well, if they're not stacked, I won't fight. If they're not stacked, I will fight. If they're stacked, I will not. Oh! I knew it! I knew it! I knew it! Wow, nice hacks. Nice hacks, kid. He wasn't lying, he didn't have anything. No, this kid said it. Thank you guys for this episode of Minecraft Fun number 4. Hope you enjoyed it, and bye.